In this video, I want to show you a simple way that you can buy and sell gift cards in Nigeria using a simple website called Ridima. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can use this platform and how you can either buy or sell gift card securely. The first thing you need to do is you can go to your browser if you want to use desktop like me, or if you want to use a computer like me. But if you want to use a phone, you can basically just download their app. So if you come to Google, you can just search for my Ridima. I'll put a link in the description so you can just get it. So we are looking at the first link here, and you can buy or sell your gift card Bitcoin in Nigeria and or Ghana. So you click on the first one, and the first thing you need to do is to obviously create an account. But before then, let me walk you through what we can get, the features we get from this platform. So you can obviously buy and sell your gift cards. So you can sell popular gift cards and buy popular gift cards right here. You can also sell your cryptocurrency with ease. So if you wanted to like convert your crypto assets to cash, then you can actually use this platform too. You can also get virtual accounts for your needs, and you can do bill payments and all of that. But we are going to focus more on the buying and selling of gift card. So you can download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, but I'm going to try to use the desktop just for the purpose of convenience. But in most cases, you would probably want to use the mobile app. So I'm just going to come here, click on get started, and then I want to create an account. So creating an account is very simple. Here you just want to select your country. So this is currently open to Nigerians and Ghanaians. So I'm just going to select Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria at the moment. So if you click on Nigeria, you can just click on proceed, and then you have to provide your information like your username, your phone number, email address, referral code, and password. You can tell them how you heard about them. You can just come here, put maybe like YouTube or from a friend. So I've added all the information like my name, my password, my email, and all of that. So I can come here, click on create account. So this is going to be my username, and they are going to send an email to the email that we created. So I'm going to put the code here that they sent to the email. So I want to go to my Gmail account to get the code. So this is the email that they sent, and all I have to do is I can just copy this code, and then I'll take it back to the OTP section here, and I can paste it to simply verify the account. So I can just say proceed, and I should be able to now get access to the dashboard. So here you need to create a PIN. So I'm going to create a PIN right here. So you use this PIN to confirm your transactions and also to log into your account quickly. So I can just click on proceed, and the PIN has been created successfully. So now we are inside of the app. So this is the app right here, and you can basically see everything you can do. You can see your wallets, you can see your history, you can see a leaderboard, you can unlock reward, you can see the term of service, you can contact their support. Again, you can get the app if you prefer to use apps like me, and you can add money. So you can come right here, you can click on add money, but before then you need to verify your BVN to do that. And this is where you can actually trade gift cards. So you can click on here to say trade a gift card. So you can either sell a gift card, you can either buy gift cards, and you can check the gift card rates, and you can even see popular gift cards or hot gift cards that you should buy, because the thing with gift cards is that you want to buy the popular one that people would readily accept globally. So let's just check the rate before we come back to buying and selling. So you can click on this, and you can come here, select the category of the gift card. So they have a lot of gift card here, but let's say we want to do maybe Amazon. We can come here, select Amazon. You want to select the currency, so we have Amazon United States. You can select the gift card type. So here you can just select the subcategory. So let's say we want to do 101 to 500. Here you select the value and then you select how many it is. So let's say we want to do, maybe we have 2 of these cards. Then you see the rate, you see how much you get in Nigerian Naira if you wanted to sell this value of card. So if you are okay with this, you can now proceed to trade the gift card. So if you wanted to trade it now, this is where you can now start uploading the images and everything. So let me go back and show you how to actually sell. If you wanted to sell, you can just come here, click on sell. Again, you want to select the category of the gift card. So let's say we want to do something like maybe Steam in this case. So you can come here, select maybe Steam, and then select the currency. So let's change the currency to the United States. The type, let's say we want to do e-code, and then you want to select the category again. So let's say between $100 to $500. You can see the rate. The rate is 910. And then let's say we'll have the card. Let's say maybe it's 500. You see how much you get. And the e-code, you put it as optional. So this is basically how you can start selling. So you can upload the card details after you've done a bit of the KYC. And if you have any issues, you can just come here, click on support. So let me also show you how to buy the gift card. So if you come here, you can read the terms and conditions and accept to buy in. So here you want to select the country gift card that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy maybe the Canadian, or let's stick to the United States. And then you select the kind of gift card that you want to buy. So let's say we want to buy Amazon, again, Amazon USA. Select the amount you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy somewhere around $100 and I want maybe just one of it or plenty of it. I'm going to put my email address right here. So let's say I put my email address. I can now click on buy gift card. So you're about to purchase blah blah blah. You can say confirm, and again you need to add money to your account before you can purchase this transaction or complete this transaction. So let me show you the last but not the least, which is how to see the hot gift cards that are currently selling. So we have the Steam in the UK, we have Steam Europe physical card between $10 to $500 or euro. So we have Razer Gold, we have Marquis, Footlocker, Apple iTunes, Google Play, Steam, and Nike, Sephora, and that's about that. So this is basically how you can use this platform called Ridima to buy and or sell gift card. Again, you can add money in Nigeria easily by simply verifying your accounts and adding your BVN, and after that you'll be able to verify this account and purchase gift card and or sell gift card. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to use this app, I'll put the link in the description. You can check it out. My name is Noel. I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.